What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Got these knocked out. Very easy. So what I did is I fell back and I tacked all of them on first, and then once I had them all tacked on, I fell back and started welding. So that way I'm only moving the welder a few times. Well, I can get like, I don't know, 3 or 4 bays done without moving it. So I got all of these done down here on this section, this full wall. So I got all these set and they welded in, and then I'm gonna fall back because I got to put these on the other side. So it's like 3 steps to these. You have to weld down the top part, you have to weld the bumpers in, and then you have to weld this support. This is like a deal that locks the truck in so the truck won't pull out while they're unloading it, and you have to weld that on there. They said they had some problems with trucks tried to pull out and actually pulled one of these whole deals out, like broke it out. Just, you know, he felt that shit. He just kept pushing the gas and he was still locked in, and it caused the issue. So now they put those safety devices on there where the truck can't just run off. So that's what I'm doing today, man. Getting my HogOn out here in the desert, burning rods, dropping dimes, picking up hundreds. HogOn.